Question number 7 is ABCD is the floor plan of an exhibition hall. This is a floor plan of an exhibition hall with dimensions shown in the meters. This is AB is 95 meter, BC is 107 meter, and so on. And also this angle is given as 90 degree. This is given in the figure diagram. Question is, they are lie on the same plane, on the same horizontal surface. So they are on the same surface. Calculate the angle BCD. This angle. We have to calculate this angle BCD. If I join these two corners, then ABD is a right angle triangle. So because in triangle BCD we can calculate angle C by the cosine rule if we know this length. But in order to find this length, we can use this ABD right angle triangle, and this is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So in using the Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABD, BD square will be equal to AB square plus AD square, as hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. We have to calculate BD, so BD will be equal to under root of this. AB square is, AB is 95, so this will be 95 square plus AD is 160, so this will be 160 square. Now BD will be equal to under root of, I do it with calculator, and 95 square plus 160 square is equal to what? It comes out to be 34625. 34625, and we take the under root or square root of this answer, comes out to be 186.07 meters. That's it. Now in triangle BCD, all the dimensions are known. We can use the cosine rule to find the any angle. In any triangle, the cosine rule is B square or any angle. If in this angle, if we have any triangle, I explained it, A, B, C, this length is A, this length is B, and this is small c. Then A square will be equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos of angle A. Okay, B square plus C square minus 2BC cos of angle A will be equal to the square of the length opposite to angle A. So BCD here, if you want to find the cos of A here, then you can write it, shift it here, and this will become 2BC cos A will be equal to B square plus C square minus A square, or you can write cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square. So in any triangle, cosine rule is a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos A. A is the side opposite to angle A. So if we want to find cos A, shift it to this side and this to this side, this will become negative and this will become positive. So if when you shift this to the right hand side, this will become divided. So cos of A is equal to b square plus c square minus a square over 2bc. In this triangle BCD, this angle is C. So it means this is A of this triangle. So this will be equal to this side square plus this side square, b square plus c square minus a square. A square is this length, whatever. This length is a square is 3, 4, whatever this is, over 2 into 107 into 165. So put the values and get the answer. It is very easy. So 107 square plus c square is 165 square minus a square. A square is, I write it 186.07 square divided by 2 into BC. 107 into 165. 107 into 165. Right. I solve it with the help of calculator to get the answer. And so this fraction comes out to be 107 square plus 165 square minus this number square is 34625. 34625 equal to what? Equal to 4049 divided by 2 into 107 into 165. So this comes out to be 35310. Thus we have to find BCD. So when we take cos to this side, become cos inverse. So BCD will be equal to cos inverse of 4049 over 35310. In calculator I will do shift cos inverse of 4049 divided by 35310 question, and this comes out to be BCD is equal to 83.41 degrees. So this is the how you calculate the in a unknown angle in triangle whose all three sides are given. Then you use the cosine rule. Cosine rule is a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos of a. So angle BCD comes out to be 83.4 degrees. Next is a light is attached to ceiling vertically above B. Where is B? B is there. A light is attached to ceiling vertically above B. If somewhere on the ground some point is B, vertically above that point a light is attached. The angle of elevation of light from C is 8.2 degrees. I draw it for you. The situation here is this is B and vertically above that a light is attached here. I put it L for light, and C is, of course, all 3 points are on a level ground. So there C is will be here. Angle between this and this line will be 90 degrees because it's a vertical line and this is horizontal line. Angle of elevation from C, if you look from C to L, then the I line makes angle with the horizontal line is known as angle of elevation, and it is given that angle of elevation from C is 8.2 degrees. This is B. So this is what situation is mentioned in the question. Question is calculate the angle of elevation of light from A. We have to calculate angle of elevation of light from A. It is quite easy. If you can find this height h, then if somewhere here is A, then angle of elevation can be calculated, because you know this height, and also B to A length is also given. Now look, it is situation will be like that. It is like here. Yes. This is light. Light is somewhere here. Angle of elevation from C is this. Angle of elevation from A will be this triangle. So we know this length. If you can calculate this height, you can find the angle by the simple trigonometric ratios. So first of all, using this information, you can find the height of the light L. So in triangle, this is question second part, B part. So in triangle BLC, L is light, we have to, BC is given, BC is 107. This is BC, is 107. So we have to calculate this. This is perpendicular, this is base. The ratio between perpendicular and base is tangent. So tangent theta is 8.2. Tangent 8.2 is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular is h over base. Base is 107. So h is equal to tangent 8.2 times 107. So height of the light comes out to be tangent 8.2 multiplied by 107, and it is 15.42 meters almost. This is, now I draw, this is B and this is A. BA is given to be 95. Vertically above B is L. There is L. This height is given. What is this height? Same height, BL. This is B, no? So BL is given to be 15.42. We have to find angle of elevation from A. This is E. We have to find this E. Again, tangent E, I write it, in triangle BAL or ABL, what will you say? ABL, okay. In triangle ABL, tangent E is this angle elevation, is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular is 15.42 divided by 95. So E will comes out to be tangent inverse of 15.42 over 95. I solve it, divided by 95. This angle is. So we have to find tangent inverse of answer, and this comes out to be 9.2 degrees. So angle of elevation from A of light L is 9.2 degrees. So that's it. So this is the end of this question.